Do you have a lot of devices which needs charge and you charge them all one by one from a single power outlet? Well, there is a better way to do it. Let's unbox and test the 75 watt PD charging station which is capable of charging 6 devices at a time. I also got this package as a bundle with a 100 watt capable Type-C cable from Baseus. You can get just the power station if you do not need the cable. Links are provided in pinned comment and description of the video. And if you like my videos, a sub to the channel would be amazing. You get the user manual, power brick and stand for it, which also doubles as a phone stand, and lastly the AC cable. The Type-C cable is of very good quality and quite long, about 1.5 meters in length. The charging station looks quite cool with dual tone gloss and matte black finish. Coming to the ports, they feature two PD ports which are each capable of delivering 65 watts of power. You can charge your notebooks, smartphones and your gadgets which feature PD charging. However, do note that the total output is 75 watts. So if you have plugged in two PD devices, the speeds will get divided. In the middle, it houses two quick charge 3.0 ports capable of delivering 18 watts each. Here you can plug two devices and get 18 watts in each device, as it would total to 36 watts, which is still less than its total bandwidth of 75 watts. Hope you get the maths here. And at the bottom, ending with two 10 watts normal charging ports. You would probably want to use these for your wireless earphones or smartwatches and other accessories. Let me test it with multiple ports running at the same time and see if it works. All the ports are providing power and the PD port delivering fast charge to my primary phone. I have been using this device for months now, and this is an update on it. The device is working fine, and really it has made my desk a lot clutter free. I would not need to change the different spec power bricks suitable for different power rated gadgets. I can use any port which I find suits my needs. It is an awesome product and I highly recommend it. That's all for this video. Let's meet in the next one. Till then, bye and have a great day.